The smartest initial investment a company can make in video marketing is to produce a professional company video for your website. Now, if you don't have a video on your homepage yet, you are totally missing out, because a video is the single most important thing you can do for your organic SEO, which is really the only way people find your company online. Forrester research says putting a video on your homepage makes you 53 times more likely to appear on page 1 of a Google search. And if you're not on page 1, most people just don't find you. Now, a company video also becomes the centerpiece of your YouTube channel. And YouTube is the world's #2 search engine after Google. So a video gives you that Google YouTube 1-2 punch. Most videographers produce company videos that are basically puff pieces all about your company. And they look good, and they stroke egos, but they are not the way to generate results. Because the only reason someone watches your company video is to find out what's in it for them. So when we produce your company video, the first 30 to 60 seconds will be all about the customer, their pain points, what keeps them up at night. That's what they care about. Now, with that kind of setup, you become the saving grace. You're the company that understands their issues and has the solutions they need. Those are your differentiators. So if you're going to invest in any online marketing this year, make sure a company video is part of your plan.